What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be installing the, what's the name of it? AJK Off Road, the fender fillers or whatever they're called. I think they call them like a fender splash kit or something like that. I actually have some pool noodles that I shoved in here because I have, let me show you. The back here I already have all sealed up, and then obviously you do that, tons of mud's going to come in here and get all packed in. So I'm going to be pulling these out and putting this AJK Off Road little pieces in here. So here's what comes in the kit. You got 4 pieces. Here's the 2 top pieces that are going to be going right there. And then this little bent piece is for the bottom, and this is for the other side. They give you, this is pretty much like a template. You're supposed to cut these out and then push them up against the machine and drill holes where we're going to be installing them with these push pins that they gave you. So I'm going to start by getting these pull noodles out of both sides and then put those templates up so I can find where I got to drill the holes. If you don't have these already sealed up here, yours is going to be wide open, so it'll be a little easier, but I'm going to take these off real quick. All right, these are all cut up. There's, let's see, this is going to be your driver's side, this is your passenger side, and then this one's going to be used for both sides. Passenger side up, driver's side down, so I'm guessing we're just going to throw that like that for the driver's side. All right, so on the instructions, it says to push this towards the center of the machine as far as you can go. I'm gonna kind of line that crease up with this one. Just kind of push it in, and you can kind of see through. This is flipped, but you can see through where these circles are, so I'm gonna go with you can kind of see the 2 marks I made with the drill bit. We're gonna need a bigger drill bit, but I was just using this to mark them. All right, so the instructions say to use a .33 bit. This is a 5/16. I kind of just threw them through the guard holes and they fit, so we're gonna use it. So I'm guessing you can just start these. Go ahead and put this up in here. I mean, that almost seems like too easy. That was perfect. Now we got this template for the driver's side. This has a mark right there where you're supposed to bend it for this crease here. It's kind of hard to hold this piece of paper. Probably be nice if I had a second set of hands, but that one's up. Hey, it looks like they all line up. As you can see, this one's hard to kind of hold up and get pushed in there because if your machine is anything like mine, you're gonna have a ton of dirt packed in here. Again, I think I'm gonna put some tape back here because it's just, I don't know, this doesn't seem right to me. All right, I didn't really like how that was sitting, so I went and got some zip tape. If you don't know what zip tape is, this stuff is like flashing tape used for like when they're building houses. Before they put the siding up, they'll use this. This stuff is insane. It's like the stickiest, strongest tape I've ever used. So I'm gonna try to cut a little piece. I just cleaned this up and hopefully get this to stick. All right, that went on pretty easy. Yeah. That feels a lot more sturdy. This one's kind of okay, but this was flapping around with that. Zip tape's a lot better. I'm gonna go do the other side. You can see in there, I kind of just threw some tape on these pieces just to give them a little bit more strength. Now I'm pretty happy with that. All right, so that's it. They are both on there. Really wasn't too bad of a job. I would say the product's pretty decent for the price. It's cheap, it works. I mean, Without this tape on here, it's kind of janky in my opinion, but throw some tape on there and then it's gonna work out fine. Well, that's gonna be it for the video today. I hope you guys did find that helpful. If you are interested in getting these fender guards or block off kits, whatever you wanna call them, I'll put the link in the description. As always, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.